Today, I'm happy with what Mofokeng did. I'm proud of the young boy, because I don't know if he's still going, but I like to say Pirates allowed this boy to go because he did so much for the team. And now he has proved that I've tried my best for the team in K League. So the thing, Elin thing, I'm honestly, I'm not happy with what my striker did today. Understand? Number 9 yaka today, you cannot give Peterson a ball who made a man of the match. It's because Bamufile ball are man of the match. Understand? Asa batlukora. Weta Peterson are man of the match. Weta Peterson ashine kanto isio. Yes, understand. But Peterson is not that much the best. But when umufa bolo, atore bolo, Peterson is the best goalkeeper. Yes, he's the keeper, but the way he did, I'm not happy. But it's fine. We have drought, and the thing that I want to say, Mofokeng, thank you so much for what you did for Pirates. And you have do so much for Pirates in K League, but you are born or did the way you wanted. I say thank you so much for that. And I will just keep my hope for the Pirates in K League. But
still hopeful.
Yeah, I understand. Into Elin thing, I want to say thank you so much, Mofokeng. Ke bua ka young boy o ne ba mokapa ba mdlasa hampi uri ba shine ka Mofokeng. Mofokeng and is not a rough person. No. He's a humble boy adlalang bolo. Mofokeng doesn't want a rough ball. But nothing gonna say. 1-1 is fine. I'll see way out to Rieta Juang. League Rainka Rinki, but I say thank you so much, Mofokeng. Even now, Yena Shebile, Ratuma, Mofokeng, Ralebucha what for Ntoyenting for Pirates, Ralebucha Antoinayaka, Aritoma, Raifeza. Thank you.